This is me at 16. This is me at 19. This one is at 21. And this is me at 24. It's not that bad, right? I mean, it's not like those fitness freak, huge and bulky, but although I was aspiring to build a body like that. But last few years I realized that I don't have good reason to build big muscles. Like see, I'm not into modeling or wrestling that I have to go out there and fight. Or neither I am into army that I should have huge muscles so that I can go out there and fight a war and save the world. I'm just a simple guy who loves filmmaking, photography, go out there, trekking, be into the mountains. And to do all these things I don't need huge muscles, to be very frank. But it depends on individual. Anyone can build any kind of body as they want. Now you might have already seen videos on YouTube like my 30 days transformation or 60 or 90 days whatever, but this video is not like that, because for me it took like more than 10 years to build and maintain this shape. Now before we even get into this, let me clear one thing, that I am not a gym trainer or a fitness freak, and this is not even a fitness channel that I'll share some tips and tricks for your daily workout routine. But what I can do is I can share my personal experience throughout this journey and what all things that I have learned. And I think there are only 3 major things that we need to focus on. First things first, diet. 75% of your health depends on your diet, and I know most of you already know this, but most of you still ignore this fact. Now I'm not going to go in detail what to eat and what not to eat, but I would say that eat as much as organic and fresh you can, and eat variety of nutrients. Especially Indians, double the amount of vegetable in your plate and keep the amount of rotis, chapatis and rice the same. You can reduce it if you want, it depends on your hunger. This will allow to intake more different nutrients in your body and not just carbohydrates and fats from the rice and chapatis and rotis. Have less oil and no junk food. I don't have to tell you this. Remember, the goal here is to be healthy, not just to look healthy. Also, I would not recommend any protein shakes or supplements. If you want to be healthy truly, go organic and fresh. No excuses. Now next is exercise. Exercise every day, and by every day I mean every single day. Now I'm not telling you to do workout every day. You can do anything. Go for a run, go for a walk, go for cycling, or my personal favorite, go for a hike. Just do some sort of exercise every single day. You don't even have to waste money on your gym if you want. I have hardly went to the gym for like 4 to 5 months in my entire life. Compound workouts such as push-ups, pull-ups, squats, skippings, crunches are good enough to get all your muscles in shape. And later as you progress, you can do different forms of them. For example, there are different types of push-ups like side-to-side push-up, Spider-Man push-ups, single clap push-ups or triple clap push-ups. But you start with the basics. Next is the most important factor that you need to focus on, and this is something that I have been constantly pushing myself, and I think this is the only thing that has helped me to be in better shape for a long period of time, and that's discipline. Fitness is all about discipline. It's not about how much you work out, it's about how long and how consistently you work out. And it's not just about how healthy you eat, it's also about how you avoid eating shit. Remember, I said work out every single day, I mean it. I'll add small tip over here. Include 50 burpees in your workout routine and do it every single day. This is something I've been doing for last few weeks. Whenever you feel lazy not for doing workout, just do 50 burpees and that's it. See, sometimes we are very busy and we don't get much time to work out for 1 or 2 hours. Even in that time, just do 50 burpees. That will hardly take 15 minutes of your time. And come on, your body is worth of taking out 15 minutes from 24 hours of your day. And it's not much, you won't even feel much exhausted. But these tiny little steps will walk you thousands of miles in long run. And you can do any workout like 50 push-ups, 50 pull-ups, 50 crunches, anything. Why I'm saying burpees is because 50 burpees equals to 50 push-ups, squats, skippings and in and outs. Speaking of health, I thought it would be a good idea to vlog while cycling. So, where was I? 50 burpees, yeah. So see, the goal here is to build a discipline of working out every fucking day, no matter what happens. I won't go to the bed empty-handed. I don't know how busy I am or how much lazy I am feeling not to work out. Just 50 burpees for 15 minutes and that's it. Also about your eating habits, try not to eat junk food at all. To manage your cravings, give yourself liberty of eating 3 to 4 days, because see, if you're working out for 5 hours a day and eating shit, your 5 hours efforts is going to waste. Discipline, discipline, discipline. Get that in your mind, write it down and frame it on the wall. See, building big muscles is easy, but to maintain that is difficult, and that needs discipline. I'll say it again and I'll quote it this time. To build good muscles, do not just focus on building muscles, but focus on building discipline, because that will take you a long way. What? Don't judge me, this was mandatory. Alright guys, that's it for me today. Stay creative, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next vlog.